Here we have the new BlackBerry Torch from AT&T. Just came out. We're gonna unbox it real quick for you guys here. I already took it out and set it up, but just gonna do it again. Here we have the phone. The SIM card is already in the phone. We've got the battery back cover here. And we have the battery. Quick start guide. Some how to connect it. It's got a little mini CD for you to load the software. Safety and product information booklet. Stereo headset with mic. We've got the charger port, really small here. The extra long micro USB cable for syncing and charging, and this looks like a polishing cloth. Alright, so just gonna pop the battery in here, turn it on, or actually it turns on by itself as BlackBerries do. While we're doing that, let's get the back cover on here. Alright, got the software starting up. Throw some of this stuff back in the box. As you can see, there's no real improvement on the startup times for BlackBerries. They've always been ridiculously long to turn on. At least they gave us a progress bar here at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a bright orange screen, and then we come to the, there we go. This is the accept stuff. And look, it's got a sensor. Is it 4? It's got 3 ways. It's only 3 ways. And obviously the slide up keyboard. So that is the BlackBerry Torch from AT&T unboxing. Enjoy your day.